Hello, Nanuet. This tutorial is to show you how to use the Nanuet curriculum maps. These curriculum maps can be located on the district homepage under District and then Curriculum Instruction and Assessment. Click here. The Curriculum Instruction and Assessment website will open up. Click on Curriculum Resources. This will open up a new tab to the curriculum page. Scroll down under the Curriculum Maps section. You'll see a link for our public curriculum map sites. These curriculum maps are for each grade level and content area. You can browse for the maps that you want to see using the filter on the left-hand side. You can say, I want to look at grade 6, and then choose a subject area, mathematics, and then click Browse. It will filter all the courses to just show you grade 6 math. You can then click on the course grade 6 math, and the curriculum map for grade 6 math comes up. There's a unit. This is unit 6M2, arithmetic operations, including division of fractions. It will say what week the lesson is taught and how long it lasts. There's a unit overview, what students should know how, content, and what students should be able to do, skills, and key vocabulary. If you scroll down a little more, you will see in some units, you'll see attachments with resources. So right here, there's a study guide for number sense and also a unit test review. If you want to go back and to search for a different content area or a different grade level, you can just click on the N in the upper left and it'll bring you back to the main page, and you can choose browse again and then use different filters for a different grade level or subject area. If you have any question on the maps, please contact your student's teacher or the building level principal. Thanks and have a good day.